We believe the investment case for global emerging markets is still very much intact. There's an undeniable shift in economic and political power away from the Western world and towards emerging market equities. Secondly, although that GDP growth rates in emerging markets may be lower than they've been historically, they're still very high compared with the developed world. And that creates a supportive environment for emerging market stocks. And then thirdly, in terms of the population in emerging markets, it's growing and there's tremendous wealth creation, which again benefits a lot of the companies that we look at in emerging markets. We run a bottom-up fund, so we're constantly looking for structural trends and themes. So to give you a few examples, let's take the growing middle income group. We're seeing domestic consumption as a rising proportion of GDP. Therefore, we invest in a number of different consumer discretionary stocks, particularly autos, luxury good manufacturers. Secondly, urbanization and infrastructure is rising in emerging markets. So we invest in property developers and in toll road operators across emerging markets. Thirdly, technology we think that the outlook for technology is improving, particularly in the internet space. So that's why we're focusing on those companies that are benefiting from the growth in e-commerce, search engines, and online games. We believe what sets us apart from our competitors is really a combination of factors. Firstly, flexibility. We have the flexibility to invest not only in global emerging market companies, but also frontier market and developed market companies with exposure to emerging markets. We have the flexibility to invest in small and mid-cap names as well as large-cap companies. And we have the flexibility to run a concentrated portfolio. So as of today, we have just 50 stocks in the portfolio. As a team, we're genuine stock pickers, with over 80% of the fund different from the benchmark index. We have a structured investment process, which we've carefully fine-tuned. And each and every member of the team is personally invested in the fund. So our interests are very much aligned with those of our clients.